How to fix could not open access for audio error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the 5M application on your device, after which you can just make a long press on the application. Then tap on app info, and as you tap on app info, make sure that you get to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen and just tap on it. Here you can just tap on clear cache option, so tap on it and then tap on OK. Next, you can just go back and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down again and tap on sound and vibration. Make sure that you have toggled on all the options of your ringtone, media and alarm. Also make sure your phone is not in your silent mode and not in your DND mode. After that, you can just relaunch the application and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.